Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgage Advisor, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And still there's no change to those fixed rates that I've been sharing with you over the last few weeks. But hopefully this time next week we may see some changes, because on Wednesday it's the final OCR announcement for the year and the monetary policy statement from the Reserve Bank. So there's a lot of anticipation that people are saying that we should see a 0.25 cut to the OCR. So I'll bring that to you live next week as soon as we find out. So that's next Wednesday at 2 o'clock, followed by a press conference at 3 p.m. So I'll give you all the information after that. But from what I've been reading this week, a lot of the economists are picking a 0.25% cut. Now, whether or not that gets all flowed into the floating rates and changes to the fixed rates, we'll see what happens pretty much between now and then and the week after to see what the banks do with their interest rate pricing. But at this stage, nothing yet. But what the banks have done over the last few days is that some of them, not all of them, are offering a 1.5% cash contribution. So that's the amount of money that they'll lend, that they give to you if you have your loan with them for at least 3 years. They're going to give you 1.5% in cash into your bank account of the loan amount that you get. I think it's up to 30,000. There is a cap on it, but there's a catch. It's from new lending that's been submitted, and I think the loan documents need to be to your lawyer by the 16th of December. So it's quite a short window there, and basically they're just trying to win business before the end of the year, because, you know, you may have seen that the listings may have gone up from this time last year, but the house sales and the house prices pretty much stagnant. So the banks are finding new innovative ways to try and obtain new business. But as soon as one does something, the others are quick to pounce. So if you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. I've had a few clients putting in offers this week, so it's been an exciting week for some, a nervous week for some as well, while they find out what's happening with offers on their properties, so then they can leap forward to doing what they're doing with their plans. And I think what you'll see now is over the next week or so, there'll be less and less properties coming onto the market, especially once we hit December. People are just too busy with school holidays or end of year concerts, getting ready for Christmas functions. People just don't have the time or capacity to look at open homes until the new year. So if you see a drop in listings, this is expected. It's seasonal. And then you'll see a lot more coming on from Wellington, middle of January till after Wellington anniversary weekend. Then we have a bulk of the listings coming on from then up until Easter. So very good time to be buying if you're looking at houses. And definitely if you want to get pre-approved so you're ready to pounce in the new year, now's the time to be having that chat. Anyway, guys, just a quick update from me, because you'll be seeing more of me next week as we see what the banks do with the OCR announcement. In the meantime, guys, can't get that. All the best. Have a great afternoon.